What if I told you that you could make 10K a month just by posting on LinkedIn? No, not TikTok, not Instagram, it's LinkedIn. Sounds wild, right? But that's exactly what 25-year-old Valerie Chapman is doing, and she's proving it's not only possible but sustainable. This could be a game-changing opportunity for freelancers who are looking for a way to monetize their skills online. Back in October 2023, Valerie was unexpectedly let go from her corporate job. Instead of panicking or searching for another office position, she saw an opportunity and decided to double down on LinkedIn. Fast forward to today, and she's making around $10,000 per month with only 16,000 followers. Valerie's tagline, "I help women leverage AI to build powerful personal brands," highlights her niche and expertise, and it's a big reason why she's become a sought-after creator in the tech space. By focusing on providing value and positioning herself as an industry expert, she's able to attract brand partnerships and high-paying freelance gigs. The best part? Anyone can adopt this strategy, regardless of their profession. Whether you're a writer, designer, consultant, or marketer, LinkedIn can serve as your client magnet. Now, you might be thinking, but LinkedIn doesn't have native monetization like YouTube or TikTok. How is she making money? The answer is simple: brand partnerships. Instead of relying on ad revenue, Valerie works primarily with tech companies, which are eager to pay premium rates for access to her engaged audience. This is the kind of deal freelancers can also land, but it requires positioning yourself as a thought leader or expert in your field. While everyone is fighting for attention on TikTok and Instagram, LinkedIn remains an untapped goldmine. Why should freelancers seriously consider LinkedIn? First, the audience on LinkedIn isn't just random users. It's decision makers, CEOs, and founders, aka potential clients. Because of this, brand deals and freelance contracts are often more lucrative compared to other platforms. Second, the LinkedIn algorithm rewards thoughtful, value-driven content, meaning it's easier to stand out if you're creating insightful posts or offering real expertise. Lastly, LinkedIn has far less competition than other social media platforms, where everyone is trying to go viral. Freelancers looking to build authority, land clients, or score high-paying brand partnerships should seriously consider using LinkedIn as their primary platform. If you've been sleeping on LinkedIn, now is the time to rethink your strategy. If you're looking for more tips on how to grow your freelance business with LinkedIn, drop a comment below.